Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, I will be helping you learn how to add graphics on iMovie using your iPhone. To add graphics to your video in iMovie, you can use various methods such as adding image overlays, using pre-built title cards, or importing graphics from other apps. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add graphics using image overlays. Launch open the iMovie app on your iPhone and open up a project where you want to add graphics. Once you do that, click on the Edit button to start getting to your timeline. Once you're inside your timeline, go ahead and click on the plus button at the top left. Select Photos or Files to import your graphics or images from your photo library or a file. After you go ahead and open up a photo or a file, simply click on little three dots right under your picture. Now in the options displayed at the bottom, select Picture in Picture. Now you will be able to see the image is imported and it is appearing in the timeline. Tap on the image layer on the timeline to select it and use the position tool at the top right corner. Make sure you drag the image to position it, and you can also pinch in or out to resize the picture layer. After you do that, the next thing you want to do is to set the duration of your overlay image. Drag the edges of your overlay image in the timeline to adjust how long it stays on the screen. After you make sure of that, you can then preview your video by tapping on the play button at the top. And that is how you will be able to add graphics to your video in iMovie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.